Bruh, guess what I did? Beginning phases, but that should be looking clean. I just gotta re-drill the fucking for the feet. I gotta re-drill all the feet pieces, but it's gonna be looking sick. Fucking flat board. Give it a little bit of angle so I can fit this underneath. Maybe fit an underfacer. But yeah, bruh. Fucking been routing shit the whole time. In my head, thinking about the layout, thinking about what front piece panel I'm gonna put on there. Most likely gonna be wood, maybe some type of sheet metal. Stay tuned for the end product. Most likely another YouTube short or Instagram post. Thanks for watching.